National Valuation, Unit 3 Summary. Approaches to value. The sales comparison approach, or the market data approach, is used for appraising residential property and vacant land. The principle of substitution holds that if a buyer will pay a certain price for a property, he will pay a similar price for a substitute property of similar characteristics. There are 3 steps in the sales comparison approach. 1. Identify comparable sales. 2. Compare comparables to the subject and make adjustments to comparables. One always adjusts the value of the comparables, never the subject. 3. Reconcile values indicated by adjusted comparables for the final value estimate of the subject. A judgmental evaluation based on all value indicators. The cost approach is used for properties with limited comparable data or income data, or for properties where the original cost is particularly applicable. Cost can be determined by square foot cost, chapter in place, or quantity survey method. Square foot cost. Using outside measurement, how many square feet times a cost for either replacement or reproduction of the improvement. Chapter in place. Based on the construction cost per chapter of measure of individual building components. Quantity survey method. The quantity and quality of all materials and the labor are estimated on a chapter cost basis. These factors are added to indirect costs to arrive at the total cost of the structure. There are 4 steps involved in the cost approach. 1. Estimate the value of the land alone as the vacant. 2. Determine the replacement or reproduction cost of the improvements. 3. Deduct all accrued depreciation from the replacement cost. 4. Add the estimated land value to the depreciated replacement or reproduction cost. The land never depreciates. Depreciation is divided into 3 classes according to its cause. 1. Physical depreciation is a form of depreciation caused by the action of the physical elements. 2. Functional obsolescence is a loss of value of an improvement due to functional inadequacies, often caused by age or poor design. 3. Economic obsolescence is a loss of value resulting from extraneous factors that exist outside of the property itself. It is caused by environmental, social, or economic forces over which an owner has little or no control. Chronological age is the actual age in years of the building, based on building date. It cannot be changed. The effective age differs from the actual age by such variable factors as depreciation, quality of maintenance, and the like. Physical life is the actual age or life of a structure that is considered habitable and is defined by the durability of its structural components. Economic life is the estimated period where an improved property will yield a return over and above economic rent. The deterioration of an improvement that is not economically feasible to repair is considered incurable. The income approach to value is based on the present value of the rights to future income for income-generating properties. The steps are as follows. 1. Estimate the annual potential gross income. 2. Deduct an allowance for vacancies to arrive at effective gross income. 3. Deduct the annual operating expenses from effective gross income to derive net operating income, or NOI. 4. Estimate the rate of return that an investor would demand for this investment, the capitalization rate, or cap rate. 5. Divide the cap rate into the net operating income to identify the property's value. The key formulas for the income approach are as follows. To solve for value, divide income by cap rate. To solve for cap rate, divide income by value. To solve for income, multiply value by cap rate.